everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I have to tell you about these amazing nesting tables. They're made by Ultimate Premium Products and they're absolutely gorgeous. The wood is walnut and they're soft and smooth, plus, it's very easy to clean up in case of any spills. The size is also perfect for moving them around the house. I use them everywhere in my room as a nightstand and even in the living room as coffee table. They even came beautifully packaged to protect them from scratches, and the instructions were super clear and easy to follow. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to put them together. These nesting tables are a must have. They don't have to take much space and they're super versatile. You can use them as a nightstand or coffee table. They're perfect for any room in your house and they're sure to be a hit with your guests. I highly recommend these tables by Ultimate Premium Products. And that's my point of view.